Hello and welcome to the Learn English Network. Today we're going to be looking at how to embed photographs and images into the forum to share them with forum members. Okay, I'm going to make three assumptions. First assumption is you have a Flickr account. Second assumption is, of course, you have a forum account. And the third assumption is that your forum account is at a sufficient level that you can actually include links. If you can't include links on your forum account yet, it's just a matter of time. Be active on the forum, get your levels up, and then you'll be able to do this. But this is for those of you who've been on the forum for a while and still haven't figured it out. Now we're going to use Flickr as a demonstration, but really any photo sharing website should do it, as long as it allows sharing, not just storage. Okay, so let's go to Flickr, and what you'll need to do is, of course, sign in and then go to your photo stream. You won't be sharing photos from other people unless they're Creative Commons, will you? So you go to you, photo stream, and then you need to check on what photo you wish to share. So let's have a look. Oh, okay. No good sharing 360-degree photos. That won't work. There you go. This one will do. Okay. So you've decided on your photo. You have, of course, already uploaded it. Yep. So if you haven't uploaded it, you can't share it. And once you've decided on your photo, you go to the link sharing button, and it will hover. If you hover over it, okay, you will see it's got share photo. Okay, so once you see share photo, you know you've got the right button. Okay, now one little tip. Before you try to share anything, make sure that the viewing privacy, okay, so make sure that viewing privacy is set to public. If you have it set to private or friends and family only, it's more difficult to share, of course. So just make sure it's set to public. Don't try and share anything that's private. Okay, you can share the link with a guest pass to private photos to friends if you want to do that. But for sharing on the forum, set it to public. Okay, so we've got it set to public, and we go to the share photo button. And you'll find that it has different share options. What we're interested in for this video is Embed. Okay, and when you go to Embed, you'll see it has some HTML, some code for sharing. You can also decide on what kind of sharing you want to do, but for this, these stay blank. And you just need to choose the size of the photo you want to share. Don't share 4,320 by 3,240 photographs. It won't work. I recommend, and I usually share 500 by 375. Okay, so when that's done and you've got that, click in the box with all the HTML like that, and then just do Control C to copy. Now this is where it becomes a bit of a trick, I'll be honest. You can't simply copy this code over to the forum. I'll show you why. Okay, you're logged into the forum. We're going to use the activity thread to show this, but it will work in any of the threads that allow images to be embedded. Okay, so go into the forum. If you can see this kind of menu, so if you can see this kind of menu on the forum, then yes, it will allow you to embed images. So that's good. If you can't see that, yeah, you just can't use this, I'm afraid. So click on the attach image. Don't try and choose a file. You can't upload images into the forum. That's just because I am an admin. But you go into the image URL. If you just cut and paste the code we just took from Flickr, I'll show you what will happen. That's probably what's happening to a lot of you. You're just cutting and pasting that code. That's not going to work. Okay? So what you want to do is put the image URL in. But if you were being attentive, you will have noticed there was a lot more code in that. So you'll need to use a notepad. Okay, so get yourself a notepad or a text editor and paste the code you just copied from Flickr into the text editor. And what you're interested in is where it says image source. Okay, that's the place in Flickr where your image is stored. And as long as you've chosen the right size, that's where you'll find the image of that size. And if you look here, there it is, image source. You don't need that bit, but that's what you're looking for. What you want is the address to your image, and it will end with .jpg, JPEG. Okay, JPEG is just a photo format. So once you've got that, highlight it. Let me show you with my little trick here. So highlight the code, Control C to cut, Control V to paste. Okay. Now, if all that was a little bit too scary for you, HTML code, etc., there's another way you can get the link to the photo of the size you want. And that is go to the photo page. So again, you go to your photo stream, find the photo you want to share. There it is. Okay, and you'll see there's a download button. So you can click on download this photo. Don't download anything. As I said, you can't upload photos to the forum. You can only share them from photo sharing websites. But click on view all sizes. Okay, and then you'll see what all the different sizes. It's quite fun to look at them actually. They're a bit small for sharing. Okay, so we are interested in the 500 one. Yeah, so click on the medium 500. There's the size we're going to share. Right click on the actual image and copy image address. And again, if we just go to our text editor, notepad, paste, there it is. Okay, and you'll see that it's exactly the same link as the one from the HTML code. So two different ways of getting the sharing image code for the forum. Both of them work. So you know that link is in your clipboard now. Go back to the forum and again click on attach image. Don't try to attach it. You just want the image URL box and paste that text into the URL box. Now you'll see it's added some extra code. That's the code that it needs in order to be able to show the photograph. Okay, you can add a bit of alternative text here, so I'll put puppets. Okay, and once you've done all that, you click on share, and there you have it. To prove it, there it is. That's now being shared. You can, of course, let me just delete that. Okay, I'll show you again. So attach image, image URL, post it in, and then you can type something. Puppets from a bar in Sicily. Okay, share, and there you've got your image and your comment. And then people can comment on your images. As I said, this will work in any of the threads, especially in chit chat you'll find. So if I put that in art maybe, let me see, art, that will do. I should find a photography one, shouldn't I really? Then you go to comments, scroll down, type your comment. Again, same menu. Click on image URL, post comment. There it is. Okay. So it is that easy, but you do have to do a little bit more than just cut and paste. Okay, so I hope that's clear. Any questions, just ask me on the forum. Bye.